So can mix tea, because our next item is on tea now. Smallholder tea farmers can now get affordable inpatient and outpatient medical services across the country. This after a partnership between Majani Insurance Brokers and Britam. The cover, which is an enhancement from Kinga Mkulima cover, is set to offer additional financial protection to farmers with premiums, enabling them to access over-the-counter medication, among other outpatient benefits, and reduce out-of-pocket expenditure on medical bills.
The traditional product that we had was purely paying for the tea farmers when they're admitted in hospital, where they spend 1 and above days in hospital, following the farmers' outcry that their bigger challenges is when they do not have to sleep over, but are taking medication from their home. The way this product will work is that it's slightly different, because in an outpatient product are two different products, technically two different products, attracting different benefits and different premiums. For this particular product, we particularly want to work with our subsidiary, Greenland Feather, so that they can finance the farmers to pay the cost of outpatient treatment, so that the hospitals can actually have the fund, so that when the farmers go to hospital, they are treated. If you're not a tea farmer, yes, you can subscribe to the product, but the unique flexibility of monthly premium payment you may not enjoy. You have to pay your premium upfront when you're joining the scheme.
All right, now let's talk digital economy. Taptengele was